Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own stencils at home for wall painting or for door painting or any DIY for that matter. Now, if you have any room which has all the four walls of the same color and you want to make an accent wall but at a minimum budget, then this is the best and simplest method ever. It took me only 50 rupees to make this accent wall and I am totally loving it. So, if you want to know how you can make these stencils at home, which colors you can use for your wall painting and everything, then please keep on watching. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
Okay, so for making this stencil, you will need one OHP paper, one marker, one paper cutter, one brush, and acrylic color. Now I'm just going to open the image on mobile and keep the OHP paper on the image. And you just have to trace the image with the help of the marker. Also, side by side, I am showing you how I found this image. I found this image on Pinterest. I've just typed leaves painting on Pinterest. So you can find any image according to your choice. Now, with the help of the paper cutter, I am cutting the image. I've kept cardboard underneath the OHP paper. Also, make sure that you don't tear up or you don't break any part of the image. I broke one part of my image, but that was okay for me because it was a leaf. If you have some particular image, please make sure that you don't break or you don't tear up any part of the image. After you take out the center part, the remaining whole paper would be your stencil. Now I want to paint this wall, so I'm just going to clean the whole wall first. Now with the help of this masking tape, I am going to stick the stencil on the wall. And then you have to paint the center part. And yeah, you are done. You can go for any pattern or any direction you want. I want my leaves to be multi-directional and randomly placed. So I'll be doing like that. Look how beautiful these leaves are looking on my wall. I just love it.
So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was a helpful video for you. If you want to create any accent wall or any DIY projects, you can definitely try this stencils at your home and it is pretty amazing. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.